Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about living things and non-living things. So now let's see the differences between living things and non-living things. Living things are born. Living things can grow. Living things also can move. Living things can reproduce. And finally, living things can die. On the other way around, non-living things aren't born, can't reproduce, can't move, can't grow, can't die. Can you think now about different examples of living and non-living things? Come on, think about it. Plants, animals, or people are examples of living things. A table, a chair, or rocks are some examples of non-living things. So now it is your turn to explain the differences between living and non-living things. Come on, let's do it again.